Welcome to Dining at Home with Saucer and Verstegen. In this section, we're going to be looking at side dishes and starters. To crack things off, Matt, we've got some dirty fries, smoky barbecue dirty fries.
Special to those, Colin.
We've got some lovely chicken tikka skewers. And then we've got the sweet potato sagaloo.
Oh, magic. Yeah, it's a little twist on a classic, isn't it?
Exactly. Right.
Perfect job.
Well, this first one, personal favourite, cooked this up yesterday. We kept going back for more.
I was fighting you for it.
So, frozen chips, we just put some barbecue sauce on there. We've topped it with a bit of mozzarella, put some little bits of bacon in there as well, so you're getting that lovely crispiness when it comes out of the oven.
Lovely.
So when you're eating those, all this stringy, indulgent cheese comes off there as well.
And that's so easy to produce as well, isn't it?
It's a bag of frozen chips with some cheese on it. It's and it goes with anything.
Well, anyway, so we'll move on to these lovely chicken skewers. So we've done the chicken tikka skewers. Obviously, we're a bit greedy, so for the starter, we've made these fairly large. You can do them on a nice little teppanyaki skewer. And I say, a nice little starter. They'd be a lovely little side to go along with the curry. I mean, on the nice flat bamboo skewers as well, you can, once they're cooked, you can run your knife down them, put it all into a pita bread, nice bit of mango chutney on it or something like that. And
that's it. Have we used Jack Joy on that as well underneath?
Yes, we did. Yeah, a little bit of the Jack Joy seasoning just to give it a nice little bit of colour. Lovely job.
Going on to the sagaloo. So very traditional, bit of a twist with this one. Bombay curry sauce. We've got our spinach in there as well.
Dare I say it, if you were a vegetarian, that with a little bit of rice.
Why not?
Yeah, I suppose we've got to cater for them, haven't we?
Exactly. So any of these would be a perfectly complement to any kind of meal deal, adding on to any of the hearty meals or anything like that, really.
So I think with the 10 sauces that we've selected, there's some real innovative products that we can put together, and it's a full range of dishes, whether it be the sort of curried inspired dishes, whether it be something a little bit American like the smoky barbecue dirty fries. I think we can cover all bases with those. I mean,
10. These are just three of our favourites.
Yeah, exactly. That's it. There was a lot that we that didn't end up on the table, you know.
It.
But yeah, I think these 10 sauces are going to make a real impact to your customers.
So let's have a little look of how we can use this Enterpack machine to get the perfect packaging for your customers. So we've displayed our dirty fries in this lovely foil tray. Still freezable, ovenable. They come in 40mm deep, 50mm deep, and we're just going to pop it in the machine, see how it comes out. So same again, as that's going in, it's going to seal all the edge all the way around. It's not going to heat any of the product inside. There we go. Off we come. We get that little bit of excess film there. Get rid of that. And look at that, Matt. Absolutely perfect.
Well away.
I love using this Enterpack machine. It'll look perfect behind anybody's counter. Really neat. I mean, look at the finish it gives you as well. Any kind of dining home experience will just benefit from any kind of packaging like this. It just adds the next level, the professional side to it.
So that's some superb starters and side dishes using the specially selected top 10 sauces. I mean, this was just the tip of the iceberg. We created 3, but you could do all 10. Yeah, you could do absolutely all sorts with it.
Go on and on. These are just 3 of our favourites.
Yeah, 100%. And I mean, the professional finish that we've achieved with the Enterpack machine, that just gives us exactly what our customers are looking for. These 10 sauces will allow you to give your customers a really special dining at home experience, whether it be Asian cuisine or something a little bit more traditional. You're going to cover every mark.